there, everyone. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norlene with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal.
Now, guys, I have a vegan dish for you. If you're a fruitarian or maybe a straight up vegetarian, today's dish is just for you. So before I get into it, let me welcome you to Wim's Kitchen. Today, I will be doing for you an almond stew. To do this stew almond, I have cooked the almond for about 45 minutes, guys. I did not expect it to last this long, so I would suggest that you use a pressure pot or a slow cooker. In another pot, I'm using a Dutch pot. You may use a saucepan. I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, I have stir-fried in some garlic, some ginger, and some onions, and then I will add to that my mixed vegetables. I will stir this in, guys, and allow it to come to a fry.
If you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel for my favorite Jamaican, Caribbean, and international meals.
Alright, so that has come to a fry, and I'm simply going to add my okra.
Now, guys, as you can see, I'm using the frozen okra, so I'm just stirring this around to be flavored a little bit, and then to that I will add half cup of water and half cup of frozen coconut milk. Now, guys, if you have the coconut milk straight from the tin, go ahead and use it. If you have your dried coconut, fresh coconut is always best.
Simply going to cover it.
Subscribe to my channel for my favorite Jamaican, Caribbean, and international meals. Please follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoes.
Alright, so this is looking good. We have, and it is looking real good. Coming to a sauce already. So I'm going to simply add the other ingredients to it. Add my peas. Oh, did I say peas? Ah, that's not peas, guys. I will add the almond to it.
If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Know that Wim's Kitchen loves and appreciates you with all my heart.
Now, guys, if only you could smell the aroma coming from the pot.
Please make sure you leave your comment in the comment section.
All right, family and friends, it's time to nice up the pot. So I'm adding my chopped onion, scallion. I'm adding my bell pepper, my powdered season, guys. I'm adding some parsley, some green onion, some thyme leaf, guys. I'm going to stir this in, and the pot needs some more sauce. So I will add to that about half cup of water. Now, guys, I just want enough to tenderize my vegetables. So, family, after doing the taste test, I would add a little bit of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon. I will add to that some tomato ketchup. Tomato paste is ideal, but I don't have any right now, so I'll use my tomato ketchup. I will use about half of a teaspoon of teriyaki sauce because, guys, I want my stew to be rich in color and flavorful. So, guys, I will add a tablespoon of butter, stir this in, cover my pot, and allow it to simmer.
The food for thought comes to us today
Genesis
from
28:15, and behold, I am with thee, and I will keep thee in all places whither thou goest, and will bring thee again into this land. For I will not leave thee until I have done that which I have spoken to thee of.
And to that I say, praise be to God. Indeed, we serve a great, big, mighty, wonderful God who is always taking care of our needs.
No, family, the stew almost done. it looks so good and it smells good. Now, people, I'm gonna add to this about a tablespoon of red blended seasoning. I'm gonna add to that about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with honey. Now, guys, the honey is basically to soften that sharp taste of the tomato ketchup. And guys, this is so good. Mr. People, I know plenty of you have never seen this before. You have never tried it before. And for those who know this almond stew, big up on yourself. I'm glad I was able
To
to
my
do it for
regular
you.
subscribers who make it week after week, thank you wholeheartedly. And please make sure you leave your comment in the comment section.
So there it is, family and friends. It is stew almond done for you Jamaican style. It's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, I know you enjoy me doing this for you the whimsical way.
Thank you for coming along with me on this, my Jamaican cooking experience, where I did for you cooking Jamaican style.